Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Tanya. I hope you're all fine and doing well. Today I'm gonna try for the first time pencil sketch as a realistic. So here we go. It was raining and that time I got that idea. I have already done the eyebrows kinda. Then I will start to do the actual process. Here I'm trying to fix the eyebrows of the drawing. I was just trying to do how to do it. I was trying to figure it out. This was my third attempt doing a realistic portrait. I have never tried it, and it was my third time attempting this, trying to do the realistic portrait. The thing that I wanted to learn is the tone because my teacher wanted us to show our tone through our drawing, through our sketch. But because I have never done it, so I was quite worried about it, and I told someone and she said, do you do real portrait, like realistic portrait? I said no, I don't do realistic portrait because I have never done it and I don't know how to do the realistic things. She said you should try it and try to figure it out, try to watch videos on YouTube and try to find out another artist drawings and try to learn that how they stone and some and like this. And I tried my best to learn it, but the thing is I ended up like it's hard. It's really difficult to learn tone, and I'm still figuring it out because it was my third attempt and I'm quite in this mental pressure type of thing because I'm not good with the tone. And when I showed it that this is how I did it, and she really like she was not happy with the result, and she was like, you are not getting it, what is tone, and you are not understanding it, and you have to do more practice. Which I know that I have to do more practice and I have to do, like, yeah, I know I have to do it, but uh, the thing is I think tone is kind of difficult, becoming the kind of difficult for me. Here I tried to do a portrait with realistic real in this portrait I tried to do realistic portrait with tones, and I tried to do as much as I could do, and I tried to like do everything, but she was not happy with my drawing, and it was pretty much a mental pressure for me that I'm not able to get it, and I don't know what I will do in my classes, and I'm pretty much worried about it. Tone is becoming difficult for me because every artist does it in their own way, so there's no rules and there is rules. So I know I have to practice, but because of that I'm quite puzzled right now. I don't know what to do, and actually I was happy with the result, that yeah, I did it, it's looking quite good. But she said that it is not good, it's not looking the way it should, and it was not good enough. And she told me that maybe you're not understanding it, that what is tone and what the thing it is, and I'm trying to understand it, and it's becoming like a math for me. I really don't like math, I'm not into math, I don't understand math, but I got to understand tone. By the way, it's looking this uh, drawing is looking like this because of the camera position. It was at the right place, but because of my camera position, it's looking kind of little bit different. But at the last moment, when I will show you the final result, you will see that that it's okay. It's looking like this because of the camera angle. I know I have to practice, but the thing is, I don't know from where I should do it because I like I'm trying to figure out every artist drawing, and I'm seeing it that they all have their own styles, so they don't follow a certain rule, but they are master of it. They are really good at it. They are really good at with the tone, with the dark and light thing. I really love to do it, the dark and light thing, and I understand it, but showing it through tone and is becoming quite difficult for me. I don't know how I will end up. Like, I'm really worried about my classes right now, what I will do, because I am feeling people are like they're like there's no rule, but there is rules, and I really don't know where I should go and what I should do. But still, I have to keep doing it, because at least there will be someone or something who will try to help me to understand it, and I will get it, and I have to practice a lot. But because of this, I didn't practice. Like last 2 days, I didn't practice at all, because I was in kind of mental pressure thing, that what I should do, how to do it. Like, I know the dark light, but showing it through tones is not that easy. Like, I see all the character tones, and someone like, you should not do it in this way, you should just try it this way, but I'm doing the way I felt I should do. But the thing is, this is not the right way you should do it. I don't know how this. I'm really worried about my pencil sketch right now with tone. I've tried my best, and I'm trying my best, and because of my mental pressure right now with the tone, I'm not able to do anything. Not I can draw, not I can, or nor I can study or something like that. So it's becoming difficult for me. It's becoming tough. I have seen that they all have their own style, so why I can't have my own style? It's becoming kind of difficult, because when you study art, it's just teacher wants you to do the way he wants, or this is the right way to do it, and you think it's not the right way to do it. Like, I'm not thinking that it's not the right way, it's just that it's not that bad yet, but I'm not seeing things, I'm not understanding the tone. This is the thing that is bothering me a lot. I always wanted to do realistic drawings, realistic portraits, but I have never tried it, and finally I'm doing it, and I was quite excited about it. I thought that I'm able to do it, but it's not that. Of course, it's my third time to drawing it, and I'm thinking that, oh, I'll be that good. It's not that I'm thinking like that. I'm just, at least someone will be able to say, yeah, you are going right, so keep going. but there is like you are not getting it, and that's pretty much not something that I expect. And I'm really worried about this tone thing. It's I'm not liking it. I am not going with it, and I'm trying my best to study, but it's bothering me a lot. But I know I'll be able to do it. I know I'll be able to understand um, tone, and I'll try to study hard about it. So yeah, it's this video is ending right now. We are almost at the end of this video. I'm gonna learn. I'm sure I'm gonna learn. Just give me some time. And yeah, there is it. This is the final result. It's looking quite good, but it was not good that enough. By the way, thank you so much for watching. Bye.